Introducing the Solar Pathway Lights by TrixHub. Its 3000K warm yellow light mimics candlelight and works up to 14 hours on a full charge. Check the link in the description for more info and where to buy it. Here's the unboxing. You get your user manual, 8 light poles, 8 solar lights, with metal casing, 4 to 8 hours to fully charge in the sun, and automatic on-off setting. They are waterproof IP65 with high-efficiency monocrystalline silicone solar panels, which convert up to 30% more energy than other solar panels. It's easy to set up. Simply remove the cover and set the switch to on. Then let the battery charge by solar light, and when it gets dark, it automatically triggers the lights to turn on. Useful for outdoor walkways, gardens, lawns, driveways, camping, and more. The total height is 21.7 inches and 900 milliamperes nickel metal hydride 1.2 volt AA battery. These are elegant in design, and the quality of materials is top-notch. After testing them out in various situations, it really does add a warm ambience and can elevate the appearance of your setting. Its rated metal 304 structure is rugged and corrosion resistant for outdoor use. It comes with 8 solar lights, which is plenty, but the more the better because you can really deck out your setting with a few more of these, and because they are solar powered, you never have to worry about turning them on and off or replacing batteries, as it will charge and discharge each day automatically. If you're looking for easy to set up hands-free operation solar lights for your house, outdoor setting, or anywhere you want to add warm ambience and elegance, check out these from TrixHub. See the link in the description below to get yours today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support my channel, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.